Hey there! Looking to bring some fun to your next event with unique photo booth props? Here's how to get started. First, create a new design and select a size like A4. That's ideal for printing. Then head over to the Graphics tab and pick fun shapes like mustaches, hats, glasses, and more. If you're looking for something extra special, like a quirky hat or wild sunglasses, use Spark AI to generate images that fit your vision perfectly. Want to add even more personality? Use a mix of elements and layer them creatively. Add speech bubbles or funny messages with the text tool, and try out effects like arc or bulge for a playful twist. Once you're happy with your designs, click Share and download them as a high-resolution PDF, ready for printing. For a sturdy finish, consider laminating your props or attaching them to wooden sticks. It's all about making memories and having fun. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!